Hey Alexa,
Hey Fergie, what's up?
can I afford to buy those Jimmy Choos?
You've spent £255 on clothes this month. Maybe wait until payday?
Yikes, what's my account balance?
Currently your balance in £2,300, but you have the mortgage, insurance and bills due in 5 days.
Thanks for the reminder.
Would you like me to help you set up a savings pot with your Monzo account?
Yes, please.
Okay, name your pot.
Wedding Chew Fund.
How much do you want to save for the shoes?
£700.
Okay. When do you want to achieve your total buy?
March 2020?
That's £100 per month. How does that sound?
Great.
Should I set up a direct debit on payday?
Go ahead.
All done.